Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and welcome to another vlog. So my landlord came with his sons today, and as you see, we got some cabinets up. Now that one they did not get up yet. I don't know if you forgot to put that one up or if there was an issue or what, I can't remember. But they were here for a good part of the day, working on things. And yeah, he was getting these cabinets that he had down stored away. I scrubbed and scrubbed, and I've still got to get the insides cleaned. I'm sorry about the sunlight. Yeah, the sun's really blaring in here now. So I've still got to get some scrubbing done on the insides. He's got knobs. Went and bought some knobs for the ones that don't have knobs, like that one and that one down there. He'll be back Monday because that still has to be taken care of. He's making a shelf to put in there, and then I've got this tiny little cabinet here. Kind of wish this was a little bit bigger far out, but this is just what he had that was down there that matched, he said. So it's better than nothing. I'm just glad that I've got some now storage up here, and then of course there's that up there, and I can even put my plants up there, the ones that I wanted to water too much. But then there's the drawer that was needing to be fixed. It's fixed now properly, and so the maintenance man got that fixed the way it needed to be. Here's the new knobs, and but I've got to get some holes drilled. And let's see. Then they did pull this back, and they took that framing off, and he got that cut in the way it needed to be, and he was trying to push it back to where it needed to be, but the plug's in the way. And apparently the oven that was here before had an indent or something. The plug's in the way. That's what I'm trying to say. But the oven, the way the oven fit before, the plug didn't fit like that. So you can see the space. So he's got to fix it to where the plug's not in the way. So that'll be another day. Let's see what else. Oh, they scraped the paint up off the floor, so now the floor looks a lot better. I still have to go around and clean up the floor again, and they still have to repair the floor, but it looks a lot better now. They've gotten the paint up, and I'm glad about that, because that looks just a whole much better. Now I was cleaning, you can see where I was cleaning the trim, and I scrubbed and cleaned the windows. You can even see right there where the sun's coming through out. I reached in up as far as I could go on the outside window, on that other window pane, and cleaned the best I could. So that's all I could do. He said that, yeah, somebody will have to get with a window washer or really one of those really tall ladders probably, and clean the other side. I don't even know really why that window, because there's no top piece to that. I think he said he could even take that out, because there's no, since that window, see there's no top piece that's broken right there. So that may need to just come on out, because I know that one, second window's out. So, yeah, some of them are like that. I think this one is completely in there. But, yeah, you know, this is a very old building. And, has been changed around. It's over 100 years old. And it's been changed around many times in the course of the time. So, there's that. Oh, and let me show you, because I don't think I ever did show you. My husband, one of the days off last week, when he was off, and get over here to it, he was doing these drawers, and if I can get them open now, great. There we go. See how much cleaner they look? Now I'll show you a shot on what they looked like and what the inside looked like. I mean, oh my goodness, what he found behind these drawers. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I mean, and then all the pennies we found, or he found, I mean, just, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe all the pennies. He just kept finding pennies and pennies and pennies and pennies. But I still have to do some cleaning in the drawers and put some new paper down and everything. But I love these old drawers. I love the handles on them and everything. I think this bottom one is broken. I can't even get it open. So yeah, I think that one has to be fixed. But in this beautiful old piece here, I just love it. I had noticed too that there's do you see that? Oh, I got so much junk in here. There's a track. So apparently there used to be some kind of sliding doors on it at one time, because you can see where there was some kind of track. So there must have been some doors on it. So yeah, apparently this used to be the pantry with sliding doors. So that's what I'm going to use it for, is a pantry. So you can see up top, right there, there's the track. So this did used to be a pantry, and that's what I do plan on using it for. They've painted, this all used to be adjustable, but it's been painted in, so you cannot adjust these shelves anymore. But at one time you can see where they were adjustable. But since it's been painted so many times, they're painted in there. So there's no way to adjust them anymore, because it's been painted over so many times. But that's what I'm going to use it for, is my pantry. And I will probably keep it as an open thing. I mean, I could hang a curtain maybe over it, some kind of cute curtain, but I think I'll just keep it as an open thing. Is what I'm thinking. Yeah, I think I'll just keep it open and have it decorative, is what the way I was picturing it in my head. Have some decorative elements in it as well. So let's see, what else did they get done? Got my new light fixture in the bathroom. Isn't it pretty? I love this light fixture. And something neat about that, you don't have to stick your hand all the way up in there to take those globes out. You use this tool right here. It looks like an empty flashlight. When I saw this, I thought, we were opening the box, and I thought, what on earth is this? I said it looks like a flashlight without the parts to it. And then I realized what it was. And I thought, oh, wait a minute. I think this goes up inside there to take the part out so you can get the globe down after you take the light bulb out. So yeah, I like that because it is so hard to get your hand up in those globes. Let me do that so you're not blinded. You know, so you stick this up in there, you take the light bulb out, which they're hot right now, but when you take the light bulb out, then you just stick this up in there and you twist it to take it on or off so that you can get that on or off. So that looks so much better than that brass. That brass was just, it did not look nice in here at all. So that matches much better. And then again, all the paint is off. I gotta clean the floor, of course, where they've been working. And they also got, I think they got all the nails out. Let's see. They get them all? I think, nope, they still missed some right here. So they did not get all these. Well, I'll have to let Brian know because yeah, they were supposed to get these. My husband's not going to be happy about that. I think he marked that off his list. And his boys, both his sons were in here working. They should have gotten those. And there's my little Ella. Isn't she cute? Say hello. Hello. She's had a busy day. Yes, she has. Been laying up on my pillows. I see she's pulled them all down. Oh, and looky there. They put in a peephole for me. So they did have to move my number up to the apartment and put the peephole in. So I guess now I'll have to patch that up. But yep, now I've got a peephole so that now when somebody comes to the door, I'll know who's at my door. Okay, see, there's no way of telling with this being this kind of apartment. Oh, and I wanted to show you, look what my husband got me for Mother's Day. He got me a sweet card. Isn't this cute? It says, when I kiss you, when I miss you, when I'm feeling tired or lazy. When we're busy, in a tizzy, when I drive you kind of crazy, when we're romantic or almost frantic, when we're apart or we're together. One thing's certain, and I'm not just flirting, I love you with all my heart forever. Isn't that sweet? Yep. So he got that for me for Mother's Day. And then he got me this cake so that I would have a little, he says, it's not much. He says, I'm sorry. And I was like, oh, that was sweet. I wasn't expecting anything. I know we didn't have any money, so I think he borrowed some money from somebody just so he could get a little something for me. So, but I thought it was special. So he wanted to make sure I had a little something for Mother's Day. So, anyway, and I did get some Happy Mail. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. So y'all make sure and stay tuned for that, because I want to share that with y'all in another video. So that's it for today. I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Please comment, please share, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And for all you moms out there, I pray that y'all have a happy Mother's Day. And for everyone else, have a blessed day. And I'll see you again soon in the next